You know that feeling when you miss out on a bonus just by a day or two? We've all been there, especially when it comes to leveraging credit card rewards. If you're a Rogers customer with a Rogers MasterCard, you know the power of using that card in your mobile wallet. You're earning cash back on virtually everything, and if you have an eligible Rogers service, that base earn rate is even higher. Plus, you get a massive 50% redemption bonus when you apply your cash back towards a Rogers purchase. That's up to a 3% value on your cash back. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you perfectly time a purchase to make sure it qualifies for those all-important introductory or special mobile wallet bonus offers? Getting the timing right is key to maximizing these promotions, which often have a small window to qualify. These types of offers usually have two main requirements you need to track: the purchase date and the posting date. First, the purchase date is simply the day you tap your phone to pay. This is what most people focus on, but it's only half the story. The more crucial date for most credit card rewards, including those from Rogers Bank, is the posting date. This is the day the transaction officially moves from pending and is recorded on your account statement. This process is controlled by the merchant and the bank, and it's what generally determines when a purchase falls within a promotional period. So, here's the essential strategy for timing your purchase. Always aim to make your mobile wallet purchase several days before the bonus offer deadline. Why? Because transactions typically take 1 to 3 business days to fully post to your account. Weekends and holidays can also add an extra day or two to that delay, so don't leave it until a Friday if the bonus ends on Sunday. A good rule of thumb is to complete your purchase by the Tuesday or Wednesday prior to a weekend deadline, giving you a safe buffer. You need the full transaction to post before the promotion closes. Once you've made the purchase, the next step is to monitor the Rogers Bank app. Your earned cashback rewards will show up after the transaction posts. If you're tracking a new cardholder bonus, the credit should follow shortly after you meet the spending requirements. Always check the official terms and conditions for your specific offer, as they will define exactly what qualifies and the window for earning. In short, make the purchase early, check the posting date, and watch the rewards flow in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.